What's going on, guys? So I might be a little late to the Prime wardrobe party, but I finally tried it out for myself. So if you're interested in a quick overview of this Amazon service, stick around, because let's face it, guys, shopping from home is a lot safer than going out right now. Stick around, I'll be right back for the good and the not so good. Okay, welcome back, and as always, I'm glad that you're here. So on this channel, we talk about all things that relate to men's lifestyle for grown-ups. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider it, because I'm here at least twice a week, sometimes 3, with brand new videos. Okay, so let's jump into this and I'll explain what Prime Wardrobe is, how it works, and then what I think of it. So Prime Wardrobe is a service from Amazon for Prime members that allows you to get up to 8 different items to try out at your own home for up to 7 days without being charged. Essentially, you put 8 things in your cart, you check out, the stuff arrives, you try on everything, and then send back anything that you don't want within a 7-day window of time. And you're only billed for the items that you keep. So it's not a bad deal, especially for those of us that want to buy online, but also really like to try stuff on before we actually commit to buying it. So on that front, I do like the overall idea. So there's a bunch of different brands that you can choose from, but I wanted to stick with specifically the Amazon Essentials brand for a few different reasons. First, since I'm buying everything myself, I wanted to keep the budget pretty low on this. And then secondly, I wanted to try out the Amazon Essentials brand to give you guys my opinion on it in a separate video. I've heard good things, like that the value proposition is pretty good and the quality is pretty decent, especially given the low price point. So let's take a look at the items that I got, what I'm keeping, and also what I'm going to be returning. So one nice thing is that your order does come with a return label, so returning anything that you don't want to keep is pretty simple. But I have seen other people get their orders in boxes that you can reuse for returning things. My order came in a bag. I didn't destroy it, so I can reuse it if I need to, which I do. More on that in a second. So let me show you what I received. Okay, so I'm gonna be reaching over here to grab a couple items. First up is this blue shirt that I have with hidden buttons. Kind of cool. I will be keeping this one. Also have this light blue, it's a short sleeve button down. Have this dark blue sort of nautical short sleeve button down. It has kind of an anchor print on it, which is kind of cool. Also have this other kind of a darker denim-ish blue short sleeve button down, not too bad. And then for trousers, I picked up chinos. I wanted to try out the sizing on the chinos. So I ordered chinos in a couple different sizes. So first up, I have these standard medium tan chinos. Also have some more of a dress chino in this light gray. I have a sort of off-white chino in this off-white color. And then I tried a pair of shorts. I have this kind of a dark navy pair of shorts. So let me kind of show you how everything fits on me, some of the issues that I ran into when ordering, and in sizing, what I'm keeping and what I'm going to be returning. Okay, I'll start with the items that I'm actually keeping first. So you saw the shirt in the video, and that's the one that I'm wearing right now. I do like that one. And by the way, there's still tags that you'll probably see hanging. I haven't removed any of the tags, and I haven't done any laundry. The pants, so these are interesting. These are a size 30-30 skinny. Like I said, I ordered several different sizes and fits of chinos just to try to get an idea of how their fits work out. And these actually fit me more like slim chinos than skinny. The gray chinos in the same size in a slim fit, I could not even get them buttoned. So I don't know what's happening there. Those will be going back. All right, moving on now to the short sleeve. So this is that denim colored one, and I think I'm gonna keep this one. I'm kind of on the fence, but I do like the 2 front pockets. The fit's pretty good. It does still need to go through the wash and the dryer to shrink up a little bit, but the fit's not too bad. The only thing that I'm questioning here is the sleeve length. I mean, we're talking a good 1 to 2 inches too long on this one, but I think I can have that taken care of at the tailor. Okay, so now we're getting into the items that I'm not going to keep. As you can see, these chinos are way too big for me. These are a slim fit in a size 31-30. Just a little too big and baggy for me to deal with at the tailor. I do like the shirt, but again, I think that the sleeve length is just a little too much to deal with, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one back. Okay, next up is this light blue short sleeve, And this is a shirt that I would prefer to wear untucked, but guys, as you can see, it's way too long, and that's the case with everything. So everything needs to be tucked in, at least on me. If you've got a really long torso, I'm sure you could wear these untucked with no problem, but as you can see on me, they're just way too long. This shirt is going back. All right, the last thing we have here are the shorts. These are gonna go back. They're just a little too wide in the leg. I would say though that if you're curious about the short sizing, this is a size 31 slim, but it fits me more like a 29.5 to 30, so I'd say they run about a size small. So a few interesting things that I wanted to let you know about that I noticed while going through the ordering process is, first, not everything is available for Prime wardrobe. Even the same item in, say, a different size or a different color. For example, the red one might be available, but the blue one isn't. So in that regard, it was a little clunky for me to try to figure out at first because I couldn't understand why it just wouldn't show me everything that's available. But I guess I understand because, say, if the size large is available, it'll show that to you, but if the medium in the same item isn't available, it still needs to show you the item, right? So you just have to click around a little bit and use the filters. Also, make sure the little Prime wardrobe box is there. If it's not and you add something to your cart, it won't get added to your Prime wardrobe cart. That's kind of another thing that I noticed. If you add something to your cart that you didn't notice was not available for Prime wardrobe, you're essentially making two carts, your regular Amazon cart and then your Prime wardrobe cart. Get it? Just pay attention and make sure that Prime wardrobe button is there when you're trying to add that particular item to your cart. So to wrap all of this up, it is not a bad service at all. Would I recommend you guys try it? Absolutely. It allows you to try stuff without having to commit to it. So if you're not sure about sizing, you can order the same thing like I did in multiple sizes and then see what works out. Then once you know your size, you can just go back in and grab another one in a different color if you want to. One more thing, as far as the quality of the Amazon Essentials clothing, it's actually not too bad. However, I want to make another video that's specifically geared around Amazon Essentials, so I'll hold off on the long review and my overall opinion for that video, so stay tuned. And speaking of staying tuned, if you like men's lifestyle topics and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider it, and also consider tapping the thumbs up button on any of my videos that you like. Gentlemen, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in just a few days for a brand new video, but until then, live well, stay healthy, and I'll see you very soon.